Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mina here. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mina and I make videos about DIYs, makeup, and travel vlog. It's usually about DIYs. Anyway, so I made this corset top on my last video and I absolutely fell in love making top because it takes less fabric, less time, and easier to make than dress. So I've been snooping around on Pinterest to find top that I can make, and I saw this satin bustier type of top. To be honest, this is not a unique design, like every brand has top looks like this, but it kind of reminds me of House of CV or Opoly, but I don't own any clothes of their brand, so I decided to make my own. I used 2 yards of fabric, 30cm zipper, elastic band, 2 bra pads, and 10mm boning wire. This is the pattern I use for the bodice. This is a pretty common bustier pattern and you can find it on the internet. I'll link Etsy store selling the same patterns that you can make it on your own size. I copied the pattern for the inside and outside of the top. So when I'm sewing the bra cup part, after I sew this middle part and the top part, so I'm gonna top stitch on this side and I'm gonna do top stitch on this side. Here, not here, on here. So I finished top stitching. So this cup is the right side, the right bra cup. So here goes the center. So I did top stitch on the center bra cup and here as well. So I just finished top stitching the bra, these bra cups, and I'm gonna also do top stitch these lines as well. So I just finished one part and I still need to sew the wrong side part as well. And these lines are going to be the guidelines for the wires goes. So these are going to be tunnels, but first I'm gonna top stitch these excess fabrics to the centers. So it goes like this, and this here goes like this, and this one on the back, this one will go like this to the zipper side. So I'm just gonna iron the whole excess fabric like this and top stitch here, top stitch here, and top stitch here. Now I have two sides. I place them both right sides facing each other, and I'm gonna sew the top and bottom part and flip them inside out. Also, I overlocked the ends using this stitch. Before I flip it inside out, I gave some cuts on under bra line. And I ironed the top so it can be nice and flat. So I just finished ironing and I'm trying to figure out how to put this bra pad inside the cup perfectly. I think this cup is not big enough for this cup. I'm trying to make it fit like perfectly, like a glove. But the problem is, if I put it like really tight up here, there's like a huge gap between here. So I'm thinking maybe if I place the bra pad inside like this, maybe I can top stitch here like this. So I pinned the under wire line and I'm gonna top stitch 5mm over the underwire. I should have made the inside pattern smaller because after I put the bra pad inside, the inside looks like really like do you say like this? Like, it's too much fabric here, too much fabric. But, well, it's my first time putting the bra pad inside the bra, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. So I just finished top stitching the underbra, and it looks good on outside, but the inside, this fabric is a little, but nobody's gonna see the inside, so yeah, I'm just gonna go with it. And I pinned all the connected lines at both inside and outside so I can sew it along the lines. And after that, I'm gonna make another lines for wires. So I just finished all the lines, and also the guide, no, not the guideline, the line for the wires as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the waistline like this, just enough for the wire can go in. Before I hit the wire, I'm just gonna soften the edges and put it inside the tunnel. And once I put all the wires inside, I'm gonna saw the edge and close it. Then I pinned the zipper and saw it very close to the fabric, so only teeth of the zipper can be seen. And now we have off-shoulder sleeves to make. So this part will be a big puffy arm part, and this will be the rough part, and these small lines are for this. So what I'm gonna do is making a tunnel for elastic band. I'm gonna fold it like this. I'm gonna sew it like this. Then I make a tunnel, right? And I fold it like this and sew it like this. The elastic band will go inside here, and ruffle part will be gathered once I put the elastic band inside here. And this part will also be a tunnel for elastic band. With like this, I'm gonna fold it like this, then I want to fold it again, and I want to sew it like this. First, I'm going to overlock the end using this stitch. Then it'll look like this. And I removed the excess fabric. Then I folded once and saw the top part. Then I folded the ruffle part and placed the tunnel like this, and saw the top part again. Now we have to make another tunnel for elastic band. Before I fold the fabric, I marked the line using my nails and folded twice and pinned it down. Then I saw the bottom line to complete the tunnel. I use 15 cm elastic bands for both top and bottom tunnels. Once I put the band all the way inside, I saw the end and saw the other side as well. Okay, now I have top and two pops. I'm gonna hand sew them on the middle of the side like this. This is definitely not my size. I can't breathe. Can you see my body is trying to escape this top? Like, should have made it bigger. But I still look cute. I look like a Wonder Woman without the puff, right? Where's my lasso? I hope you guys enjoyed this video and leave a comment down below what you want to see next. Bye!